Hey guys, welcome back to the UIT Motorsports unboxing series. Today, we're going to be unboxing our new carbon fiber from our sponsors TeXtreme's. We have Matt here today, our manufacturing director, to do the unboxing for us.
Hey everyone, my name is Matt. I'm the manufacturing director on the team. Today we're going to be presenting to you the brand new carbon fiber that we've received. This is from TeXtreme's. It's a company based out of Sweden. They were gracious enough to donate some spread toe carbon fiber to us. So like I said, this is a spread toe carbon fiber. This means that we have a traditional checkerboard pattern. Essentially, when we're doing our wet layups or infusion, it prevents the fabric from shifting as much. What TeXtreme's does to produce their spread toe carbon fibers is they essentially lay out all their strands in a tape-like orientation. So this is what gives them that thin nature. They then take those tapes and they produce the fabric in a weave that is essentially an over-under pattern, which is why you get the checkerboard. In comparison, other types of fabrics are weaved in a 2x2 fashion. This is called a twill fabric. The twill fabric is more prone to moving. It will contour a little bit better, but in our application it isn't as good because we want to maintain the weave in the 90 and 0 degree orientation that you can see here. Additionally, this is a ultra thin fabric, something that TeXtreme's specializes in. This allows us to get greater mechanical strength while minimizing the weight, something that you really want to emphasize in a race car. Once again, I'd like to thank TeXtreme's for offering us their advanced carbon fiber composites. This is going to help us tremendously in the production of our race car.
Thanks, Matt. We'd like to thank again our sponsor TeXtreme's for donating the carbon fiber to us. We really look forward to using it on our vehicle. Once again, my name is Daniel, and I hope to see you soon.